Stephen writes, last summer, the county utility trimmed an oak tree that was the end of my property, and within 2 weeks the tree was dying. I'm told it was from oak blight. I suspect that the equipment used to trim my tree was not properly cleaned after that same equipment was used to cut down an affected tree. My question is, do most utilities have a procedure for ensuring equipment is cleaned between jobs so that diseases from infected vegetation does not get transferred from tree to tree? I suspect that at least the county I am in does not have any procedure to prevent such transfer of diseases. Stephen, let's break the question down into a number of categories. First off, typically, no, the utilities would not be cleaning tools between trees that they work on unless there is some sort of mandate to do so. And that would be in areas where there is some sort of problem, like the oak wilt that you're talking about. So some of the jurisdictions are going to have requirements in place to do certain things. Second part of that is it's not going to be, in this case, the cleaning of the tools, because research indicates that the oak wilt is not likely spread by the use of tools, and so there's no advantage to sterilizing the tools between treatments. Then we move on to the third part of your question, which is basically what happened to your tree. Well, the sap beetles that carry the fungus for the oak wilt, they are attracted to fresh cuts in trees. So more than likely what happened was you indicated that the tree was pruned in the summer, which is the active growing season. And that, of course, is also the time that the sap beetles are active. So the fresh cuts would have been appealing to the sap beetles and attracted them, and they would have caused the oak wilt infection, and by that, the decline of your tree. Hope that answers the question in a full way for you, Stephen.